Hi, hi everyone. Hope you all doing good. Okay, guys. So in this chapter Python, we already learn about how we can define. That means how we can define the classes. Then how we can create the object, and how we are assessing using the class member, and also how we can develop the class methods, right? So next section we are going to learn about the constructor and destructor in Python. Okay, so first is what is, you may learn the constructor and destructor in C++ also, right, in 11th standard. Yeah. So it may be the it was somewhat differ from C++. So in Python, so here what is constructor? Here, the constructor is a special function that is automatically executed when an object of the class is created. So what is constructor? So it is a special functions while we are creating the object. There is a special function will automatically executed. So such functions are called as the constructor. So what is that special function? Here they are mentioning that is the init. That means init. That is the special function we are we are using in constructor. Okay. So while we are defining this constructor in programs, we want to write begin and end this init with double underscore. That means, see here, in this syntax they are given def is the keyword for function, right? So double underscore init, double underscore, right? So yes guys, so while we are mentioning that init in any programs, we want to begin and end with double underscore. Okay, so here the function will act as an ordinary function, but only difference is it is executed automatically when the object is created. So here the init function will execute it automatically while the object is created. So after the object is created, the init counter will execute it automatically. Okay. So this constructor function can be defined with or without arguments. So we can define this constructor with the arguments, or it may be without arguments. So this method is used to initialize the class variables. Okay guys, so here they are given one general format how we can define the constructor in Python programs. So the general format of init method, so how we can define that? That means first we want to define it with the function. That means function keyword def double underscore init double underscore self comma argument. These are the arguments. So it may be with arguments or it may be without arguments. So what is self? This is the argument we compulsory we want to give in any function of the Python. That means if there is no arguments, means the only one argument is the first argument should be self. If there is two arguments, then the first argument should be self, then the next may be anything as we are given. Okay, so self is the mandatory one in any Python functions. Okay, then we can write the statements. So this is the general format. So after defining the function, we want to give the constructor, that is double underscore init double underscore. So this will automatically executed after the object is created. Okay, so here they are given on simple example program. Here the class name is given as class sample. Sample is the class name of that class. Then def double underscore init double underscore self comma num. So here def is the keyword for function, then double underscore init is the function of the constructor, then self, it is the mandatory one in any function, then num is the only one argument they are given. Okay, then what they are given, the print constructor of sample, class sample, then self dot num is equal to num, print the value is num, s is equal to s, means s is the object, they have created the object as S is equal to sample of 10. Sample of 10 is the class name. Okay, so here they are explaining that so sample is the class name of that class, has only a constructor with one argument named as num. So here they are having a constructor and it having only one argument that is named as num. Okay, then constructor get executed. So when it is executed, when during the execution part, first the print statement will print. Okay, for what are the print statement here? Constructor of class sample is the print statement. Okay, so first it will print the constructor of class sample. Okay, then what it will do, then the passing value to the constructor is assigned to self dot num. Then it will pass the value. What is the value given here? 10 is the value given here, right? So it will pass the value to self dot num, and finally it print the value passed along the given string. It will then finally, so it will pass the value 10 and it will print the value as 10. So now we will get the output as, first what they do, print constructor of sample. So this is the output, constructor of class sample and the value is 10. This is the output finally we will get while typing this program. Okay, so here and they are using this because why they are automatically it pass the value 10, because how it is automatically executed, because here we are giving the constructor value double underscore init double underscore. So it while the object is created, what is the object here? Yes, is the object. So while the object is created, it automatically automatically executed the value. Okay guys, okay, so please study the sample program. Okay, so in the next class we can study the public and private members. Okay, thank you guys.